What is this mystery ritual? Join us and let's learn how to enrich our favorite sinigang or tinola with this nourishing and healing leaves. Warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. Let's join Romilo at his garden. Yes, as you've heard it, na imasisidamin natin. Good morning, warm greetings sa inyo mga kababayan. Your kuya here. Ilocano na ito eh. That's why allow me to deliver this in English dahil ibabida natin ang ating pagkain sa buong mundo, hindi lang sa mga Katagalugan. It will include the Bisaya and the entire world. That's why we are delivering this in English. Okay, huwag niyo iwanan na. Ibibida natin ating simpleng chibog, simpleng pagkain sa buong mundo. And today we're sharing a very maybe unique. This is sinigang or tinolang isda, and we are taking advantage of our generous harvest of Ampalaya leaves here. Perhaps you haven't heard before. Sa mga taga Bisaya, ang tinola ninyo ay ay kadalasan kamunggay or malunggay ang halo. But today, we'll do it the Ilocano way. We are using Ampalaya leaves. Have you tried this before? Maganda to. It's therapeutic and it's healing. It's soothing and it's healing. I remember my grandmother giving this as a dish to my auntie and to my nanay who just gave birth. Maganda ito sa bagong panganak because of the therapeutic properties of the Ampalaya. Of course, hindi lang sa mga bagong panganak, to everyone, because Ampalaya, as we know, is rich in vitamin. I don't know. I'm not a nutritionist, but I think it's A. I remember this ad on nutrition before sa Channel 4 that Ampalaya is a perfect replacement for, let's say, liver. For those who are suffering from anemia, Ampalaya is the cure. So, ang dami nang nasabi, magluto na tayo. Hindi to medical blog. This is a cooking show, and today we're cooking at the garden. I will now present to you the ingredients. Of course, sahog lang tong Ampalaya. We have here fatty fish. Always a discipline. Magandang itinola at isigang ang mga matatabang isda. Fat and this time, okay, papalpak yata ang aking chemistry today. Because yung sinampalukan or sour soup goes well with fatty fish. But today, we're not using tamarind, just Ampalaya. Again, fatty fish is good for soup-based fish recipe, except mackerel. Kung nagsisigang, hindi natin, I think we don't use mackerel or galunggong when making tinola. I think the farthest we can go is yung tuna. So we use dorado from the Mediterranean. Here's a reason why we use, by the way, we are here in Europe, and I don't use fish bought from the Asian store that are imported from Southeast Asia. I have a reason. Ayoko sana sabihin, but yeah, there's a reason. I have reasons why I don't buy my fish from the Chinese or from the Asian store. I buy my fish only from the Turkish store. You know what? Listen to this. Because their products come from the Mediterranean, so it's a closer transport to North Europe. Perhaps just by truck and not by plane. And to be honest, I don't trust the fish from Southeast Asia. Google. Google. In addition to the fish and the Ampalaya, ginger, onion, and tomato. Of course, salt. And dahil tinola ito, walang pang-asim, we will enrich it with patis. As an option, we can also add chili from our harvest. This is not a sauce-based recipe, this is soup recipe, so it's suggested to cut your ingredients as coarse as possible. These should be visible, they add texture to the dish. We have a pond here, but they don't grow fish. This fish came from the Mediterranean. I just want to give you a view of the garden, the front side, while we prepare this Ampalaya leaves. It's been boiling for 10 minutes now. We have to boil it as tea, or just like tea, so that we can extract all the goodness of the ginger. Note that we are cooking fish. We need the ginger flavor to neutralize the sometimes undesired taste of fish. It neutralizes at the same time it enhances. So boil it not shorter than 10 minutes. At this time we're ready to add the salt and then the fish. Special greetings and big thank you to Armjin Magbanwa of Bacolod. Thank you. Always al gusto. According to taste sa mga Inglesero. Mana Grace asked for this. She wanted to have a flavor enhancer, so I'm adding chicken bouillon, or commonly called chicken cubes, as an option. Not always, but it helps. There's a discussion at the other side. But here we can add the fish now.
Als jij niet hier was. Door jou, hè? Ja, door jou. Hij hebt een mooie gordijnen.
That was very elegant.
Mooi dan een hele mooie wandeling gedaan. De wandel? Ja.
That's my Madam Grace there.
Ja.
We can put the Ampalaya leaves now. We just have to boil this for just 2 more minutes and we're done. Ready. Let's cook. It's time to call in Madam Grace. Makan mana Ramanamon. Makan.
Ramanang
Ramanamon makan.
Ay na, kakabsat. Umapal kayo manon nga tan. Tanagimas ti bulong ti parya. Tinola nga lamus. Apo.
Si dati ti manang tikwa, kalkalpas na ganap.
Dati ti naimas nga si daon. Talaga nga.
Ramanamon manang arod.
Ay na, apo na. Nagimas kakabsat.
Naamnaw.
Gusto.
Gusto
Gusto kanya.
Yeah, because we have to get used to this because we remove the sampalok. Kaya if you're used to the maasim na sampalok, this would be anemic. But this is the tinola. How they do it in the Bisayas. Tinola.
Also in Ilocano region.
Yeah, if you don't have the sampalok, this is the result.
It's
But
also
still, it's good.
for the
Oh, sige. Sige man, goodbye.
goodbye.
Thank you for joining us. Your kuya here, Romelo, and my Mana Grace for today's cooking at the garden. Fresh ampalaya from our harvest.
Yes.
Do it at home. Pwedeng
Gayahin ninyo.
pwedeng magsigang sa ampalaya without the sampalo. Sinigang
Sinigang.
sa ampalaya.
Ampalaya.
Until next time.
Next
Bye-bye.
time. Bye-bye.
If you enjoyed what you watched today, don't forget to watch our upcoming videos. Upcoming sa ating playlist. See you
Try
next
to do
time.
this, huh?
Yeah.
Try to do this. This is really, really delicious.
And we say,
And this really healthy.
Diyos ti
Diyos
agbati.
tagbati and Diyos tagnina.
Magantayan man na.
Do it now, kiss. Do it now, kiss. But dat heb je zelfs bij kinderen, hè?